This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of 7C question 3I. Find an antiderivative. Any antiderivative will do, so I don't need to add the C. I can use the antiderivative that where C equals 0. So I'm going to use a substitution here. I'm going to make u equal to x minus 1, which means that du dx equals 1, so du equals dx. And that x equals u plus 1, which means x squared equals u plus 1 squared. So I'm going to do the integral of u plus 1 squared square root u du. The integral of u squared plus 2u plus 1 times u to the half du. So the integral of u to the 2 plus the half is 5 on 2, plus 2u to the 1 plus the half is 3 on 2, plus u to the half du. And now I can integrate each of these separately to give me u to the 7 on 2 on 7 divided by 2, so the 2 comes up top. 2 times u to the 5 on 2 divided by 5, and the 2 can come up top, plus u to the half, so 3 on 2 over 3, and the 2 will come up top, which gives me 2 x plus 1 to 7 on 2, all on 7, plus 4 x plus 1, minus 1 to the 5 on 2, all on 5, plus 2 x minus 1 to the 3 on 2, all on top of 3. And that's going to be my answer. I could take out common factors, but I'll need some more space. But that's a perfectly acceptable answer. Nothing in the question said that you needed to leave it in a particular form. This is the antiderivative of that in terms of x. How would I factorise this? Well, I can take out a lowest common factor. My lowest common factor will be, I can take out x minus 1 to the 3 on 2. And I can take out a 2 from there, and a 2. And I can take out, well, I'd have to take out the lowest common denominator, which would be 7 times 5, 35. 35 times 3 gives 15, 105. Now, if I took 105 out, I'm going to have to multiply this by 15 times x minus 1. Why 15? Because I already had a 7. And 15 will go into 105 7 times, which will leave me the 7 on the bottom, and my 2 is already on the top. That was 7 on 2 and 3 on 2 went, so that left 4 on 2, which is squared. Plus, the 4 went out, so I've still got a 2 at the front. I've got a 5, so I need to multiply that by 21. X minus 1 to the power of 1. Plus, the 2's gone out the front, 35 times 1. And that's going to give me 2 x minus 1 to the 3 on 2 over 105 times 15x squared. Minus 2x, so minus 30x minus 15. Plus, that's 42. So 42x minus 42 plus 35, and that's the only, so I've got 15x squared, I've got minus 30 plus 42 is plus 12x, and I've got 35 minus 15 plus 20. It's all over 105, and it's multiplied by 2 x minus 1 to the 3 on 2. That's what it looks like factorised. Sorry, it's not 20 at the back because I've got minus 15, minus 42 and 35. So that will give me, that's plus 15 by the way, that gives me 8.